Can you use one-hot encoding on streaming categorical data? Maybe you'd think to do something like this. You start with a counter at 0 and an empty dictionary. Whenever a new category shows up, you add it to the dictionary. Category is a key, counter is a value. Then you increase the counter by 1 and keep going. At any point in time, you can use this mapping to construct the one-hot representation for everything you've seen so far, because the index associated with each category can be used as a proxy for the position of the 1 in the one-hot vector. So it seems like this approach to online one-hot encoding could work, but you will run into a few issues. First, every time a new category appears, the dimension of the feature space will increase, and your training and inference pipelines need to be designed to handle that. Also, new categories can keep showing up indefinitely, and the dictionary can keep growing and become expensive to store. Lastly, the dictionary has to stay consistent throughout the entire pipeline. That includes during training, inference, and even across distributed systems. This just adds complexity to the whole thing, so if you're looking for an approach that avoids these issues, you could consider feature hashing. First, choose a fixed feature dimension k. Then, as categories arrive, pass them through a hash function and take the result modulo k to map them to an index between 0 and k-1. This process gives you a way to map categories to a bounded index, and therefore to a fixed length basis vector, without the need to maintain a growing dictionary. The downside is that you're now running into potential collisions, meaning different categories can get mapped to the same basis vector. But this is a trade-off that makes the whole thing work at scale.